Well, the Honor 500 series has actually made it for you, especially the Honor 500, a solid, super standard edition. It dominates its class with no fear of competition. The price is guaranteed to satisfy you. Let's look at the overall design first. Integrated cold carving craftsmanship, completely natural. I can't help but say, this is very Air. Of course, this is indeed the same craftsmanship as the iPhone. Whether it's the Super Standard Edition or the Honor 500 Super Pro version, you can enjoy this extreme aesthetic. Careful observers will notice, the Honor 500 entire series has consistent screen sizes, all 6.55 inches. It's also equipped with a 1.5K Honor Oasis Eye Protection screen. The screen's black bezels are truly narrow, only 1.05 millimeters, pure domination in its tier. But don't rush, the Oasis Eye Protection is also dominant. The Honor 500 series comes standard with 3840Hz zero-risk dimming, as well as various eye protection functions and 9 major eye protection technologies. Among them, Honor specially brings an innovative technology, newly added lighting flicker detection. Simply put, it helps you detect if your lamp has health risks. Innovation hasn't stopped. The Honor 500 series has added contrast sensitivity testing and color vision testing. Simply put, what looks good to you might not be comfortable for me. Imaging is definitely a major selling point. The Honor 500 entire series is equipped with a 200-megapixel AI ultra-clear main camera and a very comprehensive live experience. It features the industry's only front and rear live portrait, capable of beautification and background blurring. But in terms of hardware, the Honor 500 Standard Edition features the tier's largest 1.14-inch large sensor. Furthermore, the Honor 500 series has a self-developed SOS anti-shake solution and an AI self-adapting anti-shake model. The Honor 500 Pro main camera stabilization capability reaches SEPA Level 5. The actual effect is that in low light scenes, the Honor 500 series has larger light intake, stronger stabilization capability, and more stable output. Combined with AI Ultra Clear Portrait, taking photos can also go toe-to-toe with the Reno 15. Performance has never been the strong suit of mid-range devices, but Honor's performance has never lagged behind. The Honor 500 series comes standard with Snapdragon 8 series flagship chips. The Standard Edition carries the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chip. The Pro version carries the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. In actual game experience, Genshin Impact at 60 FPS plus high graphics and high rendering accuracy runs with a very smooth picture. No stuttering appeared. The picture is also very high def. Gaming is definitely no problem. The Honor 500 series is also equipped with Honor Phantom Engine 3.0, featuring ray tracing separation technology. Heavily loaded game scenes are of no fear. In terms of battery life, the Honor 500 series comes standard with an 8,000 mAh battery, and the weight is controlled at around 206 grams. It really is big, thin, and strong. We also tested the battery life for a whole night. With actual video playback for 9 hours, the battery level was at 37%. More importantly, the Honor 500 series, being so thin and light, has another praiseworthy function. The Honor 500 Pro can even reverse charge an iPhone. The charging speed matches the iPhone official standard. Such a phone's combat power is off the charts. In details, the Honor 500 also has stronger IP68, IP69, and IP69K water resistance grades, better communication capabilities, as well as the smarter Magic OS 10 system and AI buttons. The Honor 500 Pro is strength added to strength. On top of this, it's also equipped with ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. In summary, Honor is still a notch above, more willing to give specs. The cost is definitely much higher than other brands. Given that the prices are similar, choosing the Honor 500 series is absolutely a great deal.